In the year 1901, divers exploring a shipwreck off the coast of Greece made a discovery that would challenge everything we thought we knew about the ancient world. At first, it didn't look like much, just a corroded lump of bronze pulled from the remains of an ancient ship. But hidden inside was something no one expected. Gears, dozens of them, intricately designed, perfectly spaced, interlocking with incredible precision. This was not decoration, it was a machine, and not just any machine. This was the Antikythera Mechanism, a device so complex that it wouldn't be matched again for over 1,000 years. At first, scientists didn't understand what they were looking at. The object was heavily damaged, fragments scattered, parts missing. But as technology improved, researchers began to peer inside using X-rays and advanced imaging. They slowly reconstructed the mechanism, and what they found was astonishing. The Antikythera Mechanism was not just a set of gears, it was a calculator, an ancient computer designed to track the movements of the heavens. By turning a simple crank, this device could predict the positions of the sun, the moon, and even planets. It could forecast eclipses, track lunar cycles, and map astronomical events years in advance, all built over 2,000 years ago, at a time when, according to history, nothing like this should have existed. To put it into perspective, mechanical devices of this complexity were not seen again in Europe until the medieval period, over 1,000 years later. So how was this possible? Who built it? And perhaps more importantly, how did they know how? The level of precision required to create this mechanism is extraordinary. Each gear had to be carefully cut, each ratio perfectly calculated, each component aligned to simulate the motion of celestial bodies. This wasn't guesswork, this was advanced engineering. Some researchers believe it was created by Greek scientists, possibly influenced by mathematicians like Archimedes. But there's a problem. No other device like it has ever been found from the same time period. No blueprints, no instructions, no similar machines. It's as if this knowledge appeared, fully formed, and then vanished, lost to history. And that raises an unsettling question. What else did they know that we've completely forgotten? Because the Antikythera Mechanism suggests something extraordinary, that ancient civilizations may have been far more advanced than we've been led to believe, not just in philosophy or architecture, but in science, in technology, in understanding the universe itself. And yet, whatever knowledge created this device didn't survive. It disappeared, buried beneath centuries of time, hidden in the depths of the ocean, waiting to be found again. Today, the Antikythera Mechanism remains one of the greatest mysteries of the ancient world, a machine that shouldn't exist, a glimpse into a forgotten level of intelligence, and a reminder that history may not be as simple as we think, because sometimes the past is far more advanced than the present.